In this video, I'll show you how to restore a backup in Microsoft OneNote using the desktop version on Windows. This works for OneNote 2016 and OneNote for Microsoft 365 when you've used the built-in backup feature. Start by opening the OneNote desktop app. Click File, then Info, and choose Open Backups. OneNote will open your local backup folders organized by notebook. Inside each folder, you'll see section files with dates and timestamps. Use those timestamps to pick the version you want to restore. Double-click the backup section file you need. OneNote opens it in a temporary area called Open Sections. Nothing is merged automatically, which keeps your current notes safe. From here, you have two options. If you want the entire section, right-click its tab and choose Move or Copy. Select the destination notebook and section and choose Copy to keep the backup intact. If you only need specific pages, open the section, right-click the page or pages you want, choose Move or Copy, and copy them into your main notebook. Once you've restored what you need, right-click the temporary section tab and choose Close to clean up. Double-check that everything is in the right place, then continue working as usual. That's it. Open backups, preview safely in open sections, and copy sections or pages back without risking your original backup.